Hey YouTube and Land Cruiser lovers, just wanted to share a video because I get so many comments, people asking me, on a diesel Land Cruiser like this, I want one, but where are you going to get your repairs? People are worried about parts accessibility. So in this video, I want to share with you with confidence, not only can you get this one repaired and handled here in the US, but obviously anyone like that. I have a 73 series up here. We'll pass that other car. Sorry, it's covered. 73 diesel, an HZJ73. I got this HJ61, and I'm going to pick up my HDJ81 that just got a fuel pump fixed, not replaced. The shop I brought it to, think about it. They could tell you, yep, let's give me your core and let me get you a whole new rebuilt fuel pump. And he didn't. He's like, I can fix this. So I'm going to have a bill at the fraction of the cost, and he's going to up the horsepower. He fixed this one just recently. I picked it up. I'm going to show you that video when I brought in my other rig. But if you're in Southern California or Oregon or Colorado or Arizona, you can easily ship it worth the shipping and send it to Southern California and get a rig like this worked on. And if you're in Southern California, I mean, it's in Orange County. So the guy's name's Tommy, awesome dude. He's young, so he's gonna be around for a long time, loves Land Cruisers, and in his lot there was like, I don't know, 40, 50 Land Cruisers, many of them his. He just has a passion for it like I do. But diesel parts, look at this one. This one, my automatic transmission was slipping. It gave out. I tried the Rodney flush. That's when you go 30, 40 miles an hour and throw it into park. Yes, that's a thing. So nothing fixed it. So I had to get my transmission changed. And guess what? I put a manual transmission into this bad boy. Right there. Look at that. Can you see it? Manual. I'm getting reflection, but anyways, trust me, there's a manual transmission in there, so you can do stuff like that. And this is right-hand drive. I'm in the US. They never sold right-hand drive here, but I was able to get the bell housing, brand new transmission from Toyota for about 2,300 bucks. So if you ever do that, I can give you all the contacts, especially the contact here in Orange County, Tommy. I'll make the introduction, and he will be your go-to guy to do any repairs on a diesel, or if you got a 60 series, you got gas, you name it. So let's head over to a shop that I'm going to now to go pick up my truck. But this video I'm about to share with you is a video I did last weekend when I picked this one up and dropped off my HDJ 81. But all I can say is you can purchase a diesel Land Cruiser that comes from another country, so Australia, Japan, or Europe, bring it here to the US and be able to get the repairs and the attention it needs. That's everybody's fear, but I could tell you, fear not. You can get the truck of your dreams and with confidence get repairs done. All right, let's head over to a shop. So I'm outside Tommy's shop delivering Black Mamba here. There's Tommy himself checking it out. We have an oil pump leak. So a lot of shops would tell me, oh, your oil pump is leaking. We're gonna rebuild it, gonna send it overseas or to a specialty shop in California that'll rebuild it. You know, a fuel pump that deals with Bosch and what have you. And you know, usually that's $2 grand, 2,500, maybe $3 grand. I bring here to Tommy, the leak is minimal. I'll show you underneath where the diesel's spattering a bit. He's like, no, you don't need to rebuild this. It can be fixed. So my bill is going to be drastically reduced by not having to send out mine or get a core or what have you, right? Like you get one that's already rebuilt and you give your old one as your core deposit. So Land Cruiser, Land Cruiser, Land Cruiser, Land Cruiser, Land Cruiser. They're all over the place. Why? Because when you know what you're doing and you're doing a great job, and especially my situation, I mean, obviously Tommy works on gas and what have you, but mine's diesel. There's a Land Cruiser in the black garnet. I've come to swap out and pick up Menace, my HJ62. But it's a, you know, other mechanics in this whole facility, but I think it's got many Land Cruisers here. So there's where I'm leaking. There's where it's at. All right, let's walk around a little bit more. All right, as you can see, I'm going about 70 miles an hour. What does that say on the tachometer? 2400, and loving life. So this is with my repair to my fuel pump on a diesel HDJ81. So if you have a diesel Land Cruiser in the US, man, do I have the shop for you. As you know, Tommy hooked me up. So instead of spending, I don't know, $2,500 for a new rebuilt, and you turn in your core fuel pump, he fixed it for a fraction of that cost, and he tuned it. So Toyota gives so much room for tuning and continue to keep your reliability. So I did not do injectors. I don't have an intercooler. I don't need all of that. This thing's plenty fast. And as you can see, I'm going into the fast lane. To my left is the carpool express lane. But this is the fast lane. Most of you guys in your Land Cruisers, you're probably used to being on the far right or the middle. Man, not in this diesel. This thing cruises now. Noticeable horsepower. I can tell by the butt gauge just sitting in the seat. This thing is way faster, off the line. Big smile on my face while making sure I've got reliability. I didn't want to go 300 horsepower, 800, you know, torque on this thing. No, that's overkill. Maybe in the future. I've got the bug now. I don't know, but just cruising along here, hitting 120 kilometers an hour. So that's what, 60, 70, 70-ish, 72, 75 miles an hour. This will comfortably go 80, 85 miles an hour in Southern California traffic. But imagine you're driving a brand new electric car, bullshit car, a brand new Land Cruiser. Well, Prado 250, not a Land Cruiser. And you get passed by an 80 series 30-year-old truck just cruising past you with better fuel economy. Woohoo! Love it. So don't be scared of getting a diesel. If you're in SoCal or on the West Coast, I got your shop, got your back. You'll be able to get parts, no problem. Let me show you in my neighborhood, like just a 0 to 60 of how much faster this thing just got. I'm leaving FZJ80s in the dust, baby. All right, let me show you that. Okay, here we are to light, and I'm just gonna go 0 to 60. I got a Tesla to my left. Oh yeah, no one's passing me. I'm the fastest car. Oh no, this Lexus is pushing it. So that's just with an adjustment tune on the fuel pump. I'm slowing down now, so there's the Tesla. And you know, Teslas are fast off the line, and that guy's driving quick. This thing feels like a whole new truck. And this is such a minor tune without, you know, jeopardizing reliability. Good old Toyota reliability. I could go so much more. Imagine I put intercooler, new fuel injection and spark plugs and all that. But right now, I think this is plenty for me. Oh yeah, the power, I just feel it. I feel it. With, yeah, so stoked. The shop is great. So just reach out to me. I'll put you in direct contact with the owner, Tommy. Whether you have a diesel, whether you have a FJ80, 60 series, whatever repairs you need to do, whatever parts you need, he's got it. And he'll treat you right. His pricing is great. You know, nowadays you go to a Toyota dealer, they'll just say like, no, sorry, 80 series, we can't do anything to that. They just don't know anymore. You got to go to these specialty shops. And it's nice to have the confidence to have a shop that's going to treat you right without the dealership prices, right? So hit me up. Loving my 80, man. This thing could be a daily all day long. AC running great. He actually fixed my AC in the in Menace. So AC blowing cold. That's always a nice thing in the summertime. This one blowing cold as it should. And oil change, everything done. We're ready. We're ready for our next 100,000 miles in this bad boy, which is only at about 120,000 miles, by the way. Low mile, right-hand drive, diesel. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you haven't already. All things Land Cruiser and some cool gear and stuff that I always share with my followers. All right. Happy trails. Catch you on the next one. Postscript. Here's a Rivian. Let's see. Off the line. Green light. And before, my Land Cruiser was sluggish. Now, no Rivian. We're in first place again. Yeah, this thing's fast. The video doesn't do justice, you know, when you're showing how fast the vehicle is, but this thing cruising along. Love it. And you don't even, you know, don't wait for your fuel pump on a diesel to go out. You can get it tuned and get some extra juice out of it for very inexpensively. So, inexpensively done. All right, enough of the postscript. For real this time. Over and out.